Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download NordPass extension for form filling, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the NordPass extension for form filling, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the official NordPass website. Look for the Get NordPass or Download button on the home page. Click on the button to initiate the download process. Choose the appropriate version of NordPass for your operating system or browser. Follow the prompts to download the installer file. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After installation, open your browser and navigate to the Extensions or Add-ons section. Search for NordPass in the Extensions Marketplace. Click on the Add to Your Browser button to install the NordPass extension. Once the extension is added, you will see the NordPass icon in your browser toolbar. Click the NordPass icon to open the extension. If you already have an account, enter your login details to access your vault. If you're a new user, follow the prompts to create a new account. With your account set up, you can now enjoy seamless form filling capabilities. To save a form, simply fill it out and look for the NordPass prompt to save your information. From now on, NordPass will help you fill out forms quickly and securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.